Colts.
Hi, Colts.
So we are outside in our backyard, and it's really sunny and really hot. So if it looks like our eyes are closed, it's just because we're squinting really hard. We're gonna do an exploding soap experiment. So we have a small glass of about 3 tablespoons of warm water that we're gonna put yeast into. We have an empty glass that we're gonna do our experiment in. We have some liquid dish soap and hydrogen peroxide. Now this is something that should only be handled by adults. Our hydrogen peroxide is 3%, which means our reaction won't be too big, and mostly it'll be safe to touch it afterwards. This is what you would use to clean cuts. If you have stronger hydrogen peroxide, that's 6%, like what's used to dye your hair, that would give you an even bigger reaction. So depending on what kind of hydrogen peroxide is, it will determine how big your reaction will be. Okay, so we're going to start by pouring half a cup of hydrogen peroxide into our experiment glass. If you have a clear bottle, like an old water bottle or a soda bottle, that will probably be better, but I don't have them.
Watercoloring?
That doesn't... You know what? My hydrogen peroxide expired 2 years ago. This might not give us any reaction at all, but let's see. Go ahead and put in some food coloring.
I need to open it now.
Twist it open.
Got it.
Robert's putting in food coloring to make it even more colorful. Cool. Okay, I think that's good.
Here we go. I've never actually did that before, Mom.
Okay. All right, next we're going to add yeast. And yeast is our reaction's catalyst. That means the yeast is going to help everything start to mix together. It's like a helper chemical.
Mom?
All right, so we're going to mix that together a little bit. And just let it foam up a little bit.
Okay, goggle time.
Ooh, look at that, it's getting real foamy. Oh no, it's stuck to my finger, yuck. All right, are you ready to mix it together?
Pour it?
Should we try to put some plastic over our cup? Nah, let's just pour it. Okay, ready? It's gonna make a mess. Whoa! Wow! Ew, foamy soap! It should just be soap. Yeah, foamy soap.
Ow, hot.
It is warm. This chemical reaction is exothermic. That means it's going to make all of the ingredients get kind of hot. But it's not dangerous because, like I said, our hydrogen peroxide is pretty weak.
Hey, Mom.
And it was expired, so...
How about that real exploding one, the one that went...
I don't have 20% hydrogen peroxide. If we had a lab where we could get stronger hydrogen peroxide, you would see the foam go... But we don't have that. But this is still fun. Oh, look at that soap. It's so fun to play with. Very warm. If you put your finger in there, oh my goodness. It's like a warm bubble bath. So cool.
I'm washing my hands.
Oh no. If you guys try this experiment at home, make sure you have an adult with you.
Washing my hands.
The 3%.
Washing.
The 3% hydrogen peroxide will all kind of burn out during the reaction, so this will be safe to touch. However, if you use 6% hydrogen peroxide, you might not want to touch the soap right away because it might be a little bit irritating to your skin.
Bye.
But for the most part, hydrogen peroxide is not that irritating. Ah! It's also hot because the sun is hot. And the table is hot. Good. You want to say bye to the Colts? Bye, Colts.
Bye-bye. Soapy hands.
Soapy hands.
Washing my hands. Washing my hands. Washing.